Hello everybody, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This one I'm going to show you how to resize an image without stretching it. In particular, how to resize from a wide image or a landscape image to a vertical image or a narrow type image. What am I talking about? Let me show you here. If I was to go ahead and resize this one, you'll notice here when I hold down that I move this, the size of the Tower of Pisa, it stretches with the image, so it's not protected. In this version over here, it's the same image. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to Edit. I'm just going to make sure I select the top layer first. Edit, Content Aware Scale, and now watch what happens. When I resize this, the Tower of Pisa is actually protected. It does not stretch, but everything else in the image does stretch. How did I do this? Let me show you very quickly. I'm just going to go ahead and click out of this. So let's just close this one up and go to a new image like this. Okay, we've got our image loaded. The first step, drag and drop it and create a duplicate copy. Turn the bottom copy off. We're going to work on the top copy non-destructively. Now, head up to Edit, Content Aware Scale. Click on that. Excellent. Now we're working in the Content Aware Scale. The next step we want to do is when I go to the left side here, select one of our selection tools. I'm going to go with Object Selection. And it's going to go take a few seconds here. It just does this little thing up here. And then presto, it allows me to find the Tower of Pisa object. I'm going to go ahead now and select it like I've done. And this is the important part. Go up to Select, Save Selection. I'm going to call this Pisa 5. I don't know, something like that. Okay, so this is now going to be saved as a selection. Now hit Command or Control D to deselect. All right, now grab the crop tool. We're getting into the business end. Grab the crop tool, and before you touch anything, make triple sure that delete cropped pixels is not clicked. This is very, very important because we're going to use those cropped pixels. Now go up here when you're seeing the different options. We're going to go ahead and create a narrow version or a wider version, from a wide to a narrow version. So I'm going to select 4:5. You can also do 16:9. And then just click this button to reverse it. Either way, I'm going to go with 4:5, but just so you guys know, both options work. Okay, good. Now I'm just going to reposition this so that the Tower of Pisa is on the left side. And then I'm going to go ahead and commit it. So I'm just going to hit this check mark. Presto. Now, the final step, go up here to Edit, go to Content Aware Scale, and now watch what happens when I rescale. When I move this, now the Tower of Pisa does not stretch. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.